If you're looking to create your first YouTube channel in 2021, then definitely check out this video. I'm going to take you through a step-by-step process and how to create your first YouTube channel. And we're going to do this in about 15 minutes. It's that easy to create your first YouTube channel. So let's get started. Hey there, this is Ed Herzog with edherzog.com, where I show you how to build and grow your online business with video and with YouTube. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you know when I've uploaded a new video. Now, let's create your first YouTube channel. Now, in order to create a YouTube channel, the first thing you'll need is a Gmail account. That's because YouTube is owned by Gmail. Now, once you have that account, what you'll do is you'll come to YouTube and you'll come right over here. You'll click on that, and then right here, create a channel, and go ahead and click on that. Then here, you'll obviously click on Get Started, and now you have a choice. Your first choice here is to use your name. That can be a good choice if you're a solopreneur and you don't have a particular name for your business. So in this case, the name for your business will be your own personal name. But if you want to use a custom name and also give access to your channel to other people, then you'll need to select this option right here. So we'll go ahead and select this one so I can take you through and show you what this particular option looks like. So go ahead and click Select, and we'll go to the next step. So in this space right here, you'll add the name of your channel. You'll probably want to use the same name as your business or something very similar to the name of your business. So right here, we'll add in Solopreneur Success, and go ahead and click and accept those conditions, and then click there to create. So you can see here that the channel Solopreneur Success has been created. The next step here is to upload a profile picture. It could be a picture of yourself, or it could be the logo that you use for your business, whatever makes sense to you. So let's go ahead and click here and add that photo. And now I've got my profile photo for my YouTube channel. Now scroll down here and you can see the next step is to tell your viewers about your channel. So here you'll add a channel description. Now, with your channel description, you'll want to add words, keywords, phrases that are relevant to your channel so that YouTube knows what your channel is about, and also that people who come to your channel will easily know what your channel is about as well. So for example, if you have a cooking show that's related to French cooking, you'd want to include a bunch of words and terms and phrases that are related to French cooking. If your channel is about woodworking, you'd want to have terms, words, phrases related to woodworking. But you want to make this sound natural. You want to have paragraphs, bullet points, that sort of thing. This isn't a place where you're trying to stuff keywords in. You want it to sound natural. You want it to flow. So here I'm going to just add in the channel description. I just copied and pasted this from my real YouTube channel. And as you can see, I have my name, some mention of solopreneurs, some of what I cover here in a list form, and an invitation to subscribe, and then a link to a free course on solopreneur success. So that's what I have in my description. What I would suggest is look at your competition, take a look at what they have in their description, and then edit it, put it in your own words, again, make it in your own voice, but look what other people have done. They're in a similar niche, and then adapt it for your unique business. Next, scroll down here, and you can add links to your site. So your website, as well as social media channels. Here I've already went ahead and added in the link to my website. I can change the name of that if I want. And then I don't actually use any of these websites. I just put in some placeholder names. But obviously if you use these, you can put them in, and these will all show up on your header. I'll show you in a couple minutes, how to create a header for your YouTube channel, but that's where these will show up, and it'll be clickable so people can click on your header and go to your other websites. So you can go ahead and put those in right here. So once you're done with that, you'll click here on Save and Continue. Now at this point, your channel is technically created and you can start uploading videos. But I want to show you some additional steps that you can take to customize your channel and to make it unique to your brand, some things that you want to do before you start uploading videos. So we're going to come up here and click on Customize Channel. We're going to come over here first to Basic Information. So again, here you can see your channel description that you already added. You can edit here if you want to. And you see your channel URL, your links, and now you can edit the links that show up on your banner. So here you can add additional links. To begin with, remember we only had these three options, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, but if you want to add more, you can do that right here. Here you've set the order of them, or which ones actually show up on your banner. So it can be none, just the first one, first 2, 3, 4, 5. And here you can rearrange the order. So if you want Instagram before Twitter, you just move that up there. And here you can add your contact information. So in my case, I'll just add my business email address, edit@herzog.com, and go ahead and click on publish. So next we're going to come over here to branding. So click there. And here you can change your profile pic if you want to do that. Next, we can upload a banner image. So here it gives the dimensions for the banner image. And what I would suggest, first of all, is to use a program called Canva, which is a very easy to use program. I'll put a link to that down in the video description below. Or if you don't want to do it yourself, you can pay somebody on Fiverr to create a banner image for you. And again, I would suggest taking a look at your competition, seeing what they have for their banner images, and using that to inspire your own. So I've already created a banner image, so I'm going to go ahead and click here and upload. And go ahead and open that. And now you want to click on these things to make sure that it displays nicely on all different devices. If not, you may have to go back and tweak it. But as you can see, this looks good on all the different devices. So go ahead and click done. And now you can see right there, my banner image has been added to my YouTube channel. So next we'll scroll down here, and the next thing to add is a video watermark. This is a watermark that will show up in your videos, encouraging people to subscribe to your YouTube channel. You can upload a subscribe button, or you could upload your logo, your photo, whatever you want. The dimensions here are 150 by 150 pixels. And again, I just created a very simple watermark using Canva. So I'm going to go ahead and upload that. Go ahead and click done. And then you have some choices here. Where do you want to show up? At the end of the video, at a custom start time, or during the entire video. So we'll just leave it right there for entire video and come up there and click publish. And now I'm done with my branding. So let's come over here to layout, click right there. And here you can add a channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed to your channel. So a video, a short video describing who you are, what your channel is about, something like that. And a featured video for returning subscribers. You can also have this be the same video that doesn't have to be two different videos. In my case, for example, I have a video that right now I'm trying to promote and get people to watch. So I have the same video in both places. And here, what you can do is you can add featured sections to your channel. So this could be, for example, playlists. Once you've got a bunch of different videos, you can add playlists, you can add popular uploads, short videos, live now, past live streams. There are playlists. Here you could add other channels that you subscribe to. Again, this will be something later down the line when your channel is more built out. You'll want to add featured sections to your channel. So next we'll come over to the right-hand side down here and click on Settings. This first one we're not going to worry about. This is when you're monetizing your channel, but you'll need at least 1,000 subscribers before you can do that. Click here on Channel. And here we can add in some different things. So you can add in your country of residence. So in my case, I live in Colombia, so I'll click that. You can now add in, next you can add in keywords. So again, this will help people find your channel, and you'll add a comma separated value. So you put a comma in between each of your keywords, your key phrases. So to save time, I'm not going to do that, but you want to add in 5 or 10 different keywords so people can find your channel, so that YouTube knows what your channel is about. Come over here to advanced settings, and here you have to select whether or not your channel is made for kids. So, if you always upload content that's made for kids, you click here. If you never upload content that's made for kids, you click here. And if you want to review the setting for every video, then you click here. So I'm just going to go with no. Here you can link your account to Google for AdSense. Again, you'll need at least 1,000 subscribers before you need to worry about that. Here you can, for your auto-generated captions, this allows you to don't show potentially inappropriate words. You can click that if you want to. I'm not sure it really matters. We'll go ahead and click that. Here you can display the number of people subscribed to your channel if you want to display that or not. And this is for advertisements. Again, not something we need to worry about right now. Then over here on featured eligibility. So you have some default features that you automatically get. So uploading videos, obviously, creating playlists, and adding collaborators and new videos to playlists. Those are automatically enabled. But then you need to phone verify other features. And these are valuable features. So videos over 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, live streaming, and content ID appeals. If there's some sort of fight over content for your video, this is an important feature to have. So again, I'm not going to go through the verification process in order to save time, but you would definitely want to go ahead and click there and then verify your phone number so you can have access to these features right here. Next, come over here to upload defaults. So here you can set up different defaults that are automatically put on every video that you upload to YouTube. You can then go in and tweak these settings for each individual video, but you may want to have some settings that are automatically loaded. That way you don't have to kind of do it for every single video. Your title and your description, you don't want to do that because obviously you'll have a different title and different description for every video. You might, however, want to have a particular visibility setting when you first upload a video, whether it's public, private, or unlisted. And there might be certain tags that you want to put on every video. For example, the name of your business might be a tag that you use on every video. So you can put those right here. Then under advanced settings, you have some more options. What license you want to have it for your video. What category do you want to put it in? As you see here, they have a bunch of different categories. What is the original video language? Also for subtitles and closed captioning. So here you can select your video language. Here you can select the title and description language. And here you can put in caption certification. So whether or not it's been on TV somewhere in the US, whether or not FCC regulations apply, that sort of thing. And then here you can set defaults for your comments. So you can allow all comments, hold potentially inappropriate comments, etc. And then here, whether or not users can view the ratings of the video, you know, the thumbs up, thumbs down that people put on your video. So again, you can go through here and set up the defaults as you like. And then again, every time you upload a video, you will automatically have those, but then you can tweak them as you'd like for each video. So next we'll come over here to permissions. So click right there. Now this is only relevant if there are other people that you want to give access to your channel to so that they can help you manage your channel. And this way they can access your channel without having the password for your Gmail account. So we have two options here. One is keep managing permissions in your brand account. With this, you can assign people to one of two roles, including owner and manager, or you can move permissions to YouTube Studio. That opens up roles such as manager, editor, editor limited, viewer, and viewer limited. So let's just stick with this one right here. So click on manage permissions. That's going to open up another tab. And we'll click here on manage permissions. And you can see here, it says that I'm the primary owner. I can then click on this to invite new users. So I add in their email address here, and then choose a role for them, owner, manager, or communications manager. And you can click here to learn more about these roles. But again, if you have people that you want to help you manage your channel, this allows them to do that without having access to your Gmail password. Finally, coming over here to community, this gives you additional options for managing the comments on your channel. So you can add here, you can add other channels and allow them to moderate comments that come on your channel. Here you can add approved users, so you allow certain people to comment regardless of what they say on your channel. Here you can hide different users, you can block different words, and then finally you can block links here. Then here you can have some defaults again for different comments, what you want to do for comments on your new videos, comments on your discussion tabs, and messages in your live chat. So now your channel is all set up once you've gone through and selected what you want for these different options here. So let's come back over here and go ahead and click on my photo and click on your channel. And now this is what my channel looked like. Again, here's my header. Here are the links to my website and to the different social media channels. And then if I had a channel trailer or a video for returning subscribers, that would show up here as well as any sort of playlist or anything else that I put in that layout section. Here I can click and see my videos. I can see my playlists here. These are channels that I subscribe to. And then finally here you have the about, so you see the description and some details here as well. So that is it. Once you've gone through all that, you have your YouTube channel and you can start uploading videos to YouTube. So that's how you create your first YouTube channel. As I said at the beginning, this is very easy to do. Now, if you found value in this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.